NTEA week. We're out in Indianapolis and I'm gonna walk you around the show with me. So first today in 30 minutes, Ford is hosting a commercial vehicle center meeting. So I'll be going to that first and then we'll get an early look into the trade show. Here's my view. I was falling asleep in the meeting because I got up so early, so I just had to run across the street and grab espresso. They had free coffee here this morning, but apparently they're all packed up.
So Rob, where is he for our clothes?
Getting a version of our transit.
Lift is 350 on the Lightning.
Yeah, sort of.
How America gets things done. So America, Tim Baughman.
So that was a cool exclusive little meeting. Now I'm headed over to that fancy JW Marriott for the welcome reception. Well, this is the convention center from the outside. It doesn't look like much, but it's big. There's hors d'oeuvres, meat carving station, games.
And we do all of our...
That was an incredible party. The food, the beverages, the service, the games, the arcade games. Isuzu chassis update this morning.
For the U.S. and Canadian markets, right here. N-Series EV, the first electric truck from Isuzu in the United States and Canada. Gentlemen. Configuration that delivers up to an estimated 230 liter. All asking is, when can I get it? Early next year. We use models in 2025. Appreciate the higher seat back.
So in case my video wasn't very good, Isuzu just unveiled their new electric truck, Class 5, 19,500 gross vehicle weight, and an estimated 235 mile range. Big deal. This is a body by Morgan with foam sides and no fasteners. So graphics look beautiful on the outside, as you can see.
I got a little bit of money. But he said, oh, too much stuff piled up now. It's like, okay.
All right. right, I'm blowing through this whole side of the show right now because it's way too big and I need lunch. All right, man, I had to come back and freshen up and put my feet up because holy buckets, this is insane. So the coolest thing was Isuzu unveiling that NRR. A lot of good production updates. They gave us some info on model changes and style changes. My focus has been finding options and bodies and service bodies and lift gates and just finding equipment options for my customers. So my bag is full of brochures right now.